Hi everyone, hope you are all doing well. Today again I have come up with certain other word combinations along with their example sentences. These words are extremely important. They are high frequency words we use in our everyday English. Let's see how they can be combined and how the sentences can be framed with these combinations. The first word today is abuse. Hurl abuse, scream abuse, shout abuse at somebody. Let's have some example sentences. Don't shout abuse at anyone. She screamed abuse at me. They are hurling abuse. Next word is baby. Hold a baby, dress a baby, wake a baby, lose the baby, deliver a baby, have a baby. We are getting late for the party. Dress the baby quickly. Okay, next word is back. Bend your back, straighten your back, turn your back, lie on your back, ride in the back of a car. Another word is cabinet. Enlarge cabinet, leave cabinet, quit cabinet, reshuffle a cabinet. Another word is cake. Cut a cake, prepare a cake, divide the cake among the children. Okay. Another word is damage. Cause extensive damage, claim for damage, do damage, repair the damage, sue somebody for the damage. Sue means किसी के ऊपर केस करना. If somebody has hit your car from the back, you can tell him, I'll sue you for the damage because you hit my car. Okay, next word is dance. Learn dance, do dance, have a dance, like a dance. All these combinations you are seeing here is verb and noun combinations. Okay, another word is ear. Fall on deaf ears, keep your ears open, ring in your ears, shut your ears to somebody. Example sentences are: you tell him everything. Whatever you tell him, everything falls on deaf ears to him. Okay, I have shut my ears for him. It means I don't want to listen to him. His words are still ringing in my ears. It means they are coming again and again and disturbing me. Okay, another word is earth. Save earth, protect earth, fertilize the earth. Next word is face. Cover your face, disappear from the face of earth, have a beautiful face, kick somebody in the face, make funny face, see the same old faces. How the sentences can be framed, let's see. She was ashamed of her deed and she covered her face with both of her hands. Okay, dinosaurs have disappeared from the face of the earth. Whenever he talks to strangers, he makes funny faces. Every day we go to the office, we see the same old faces. So these were the few examples. Next word is facility. Make use of available facility, offer excellent facility, provide modern facilities, upgrade the essential facilities. Let's have some example sentences. I have talked to my boss to upgrade the essential facilities at office. This is the hotel that provides the modern facilities. Their services and their offers have excellent facilities. Okay, next word is gain. Make a small gain, lost the gain, show a gain of 50%. Another word is game. Win a game, play a game, lose in a game. Next word is habit. Develop a habit, encourage bad habit, fall into bad habit, get out of a habit, give up a habit, have a habit of doing something, make it a habit to do something. How the sentences can be framed, let's see. I have make it a habit to wake up early in the morning. Okay, another sentence. He has a habit of smoking. Okay, next word is hair. Comb your hair, get your hair cut, grow your hair long, have your hair cut, lose your hair. Okay, let's have some example sentences. It's today only you have to get your hair cut. Grow your hair long because you look attractive in in long hairs. Because of stress and tension, he is losing his hairs. Okay, another word is ice. Break the ice, put the ice in a drink. Okay, next word is idea. Accept idea, challenge idea, express idea, give up idea, suggest idea, support idea, try idea, welcome an idea, come up with an idea, drop the idea, have a fair idea of something, have an exaggerated idea of something, like the idea of doing something. See here, so many verbs you have combined with these words, and the more the verbs are at your command, better you will be able to speak. Next word is jacket. Pull on a jacket, pull off a jacket, slip on a jacket, slip off a jacket, unbutton a jacket, unzip a jacket, button up a jacket. Another word is job. Apply for the job, change your job, cost you your job, find a job, get a job, give up a job, know your job, lose your job, offer somebody a job. See some sentences here. I have offered him a good job, but he declined. If you don't do this, this will cost you your job. It means you will lose your job. Okay, another word is key. Insert a key into a lock hole, press a key, turn a key, pull out a key from the keyhole. Another word is kid. Bring up a kid, look after a kid, take the kid to the park. Another word is labor. Employ a labor, engage a labor, exploit a labor, hire a labor, need a labor, require a labor, use a labor. Next word is lack. Lack का यहाँ इस तरीके से यूज हुआ कि इस कमी के सेंस में, एज अ नाउन नॉट एज अ वर्ब. Excuse a lake, fill a lake, overlook a lake, point out a lake, make up for the lake. Let's have some example sentences. He is in the habit of pointing out a lake in others. Okay, you have to make up for the lake. We cannot overlook the lack of skill in a best employee. Okay, another word is machine. Operate a machine, run a machine, service a machine, start a machine, stop a machine, repair a machine, damage a machine, use a machine, shut down a machine. Another word is magazine. Publish a magazine, read a magazine, subscribe a magazine. Next word is name. Add somebody's name, apply in the name of, call somebody by name, have a good name, know somebody by name, remember somebody's name, see your name in the list, tell the names, think of somebody's name, use somebody's name. Another word is nation. Divide a nation, govern a nation, lead a nation, represent a nation, rule a nation, shock a nation, unite a nation, serve the nation, speak for the nation, touch the heart of a nation, address the entire nation, appeal to the whole nation. See, so many verbs we have combined with this. You use them as and when required as per your convenience. Okay, another word is object. Fail in your object, give up an object, pursue an object, strive for an object, succeed in your object, work for an object. We are all working for an object. He has succeeded in his object. Succeed is a verb. Second and third form are succeeded, succeeded. Success is a different word. Success means सफलता. Succeed means सफल होना. Okay. Next word is objection. Deal with an objection. Have no objection. Raise your objection. Register your objection. Voice objections. If you have, let's have some example sentences. If you have any problem, voice your objections to the authorities. Okay. I have no objection for this. How you deal with the objections, it depends on you. These were the few example sentences. Okay, another word is pace. Keep a pace with, quicken your pace, slow your pace. Next word is pack. Carry a pack, Be available in pack. Shuffle a pack of cards. Tell a pack of lie. Let's see how it can be used. Don't trust this man. He always tells a pack of lie. This is my turn to shuffle the pack of the cards. Okay, another word is quality. Affect the quality, develop the quality, judge the quality, maintain the quality, vary in quality. Another word is queen. Be fit for a queen, become a queen, crown a queen, depose a queen, crown somebody a queen, put aside a queen. Next word is race. Enter a race, lose a race, run in a race. Another word is radio. Hear something on radio, switch on the radio, switch off the radio, turn on the radio, turn off a radio. Okay, next word is safe. Break into a safe, lock the safe, open a safe, close a safe. Safe यहाँ तिजोरी के सेंस में हुआ है. Okay, another word is safety. Ensure safety, improve safety, consider safety. Next word is table. Book a table in a restaurant, come to the negotiating table, raise from the table, sit at a table, turn the table on somebody. Next word is understanding. Arrive at an understanding, have an understanding with somebody, have no understanding of something, show somebody an understanding, there is an understanding between them. Another word is value. Drop in value, go up in value, go down in value, fall in value, have very conservative values, judge the value of something, fix the value of something. Let's have some example sentences. Old people usually have conservative values. We should not judge the value of a person by his clothes. Okay, another word is variety. Add variety, create variety, lack variety, seek variety. Another word is wage. Cut wage, get a decent wage, live on a small wage, pay a fair wage, raise wages. Okay, next word is walk. Go for a walk, have a walk, recognize somebody by their walk, take somebody for a walk. Example sentences. I can recognize anyone by his or her walk. Okay. Another word is year. Enter its second year, repeat a year, spend years doing something, take somebody 5 years to do something, wait a whole year. Okay. And the last word is youth. Ignore the youth of the country, look back on your youth, restore youth, spend your youth. Let's have some example sentences. No government can afford to ignore the youth of a country. When you look back on your youth, you see you have made so many mistakes. Ayurveda has many medicines that can help you restore your youth. How you spend your youth shows how your future and life will be. I am sure, friends, all these word combinations and sentences would help you learn and develop your English language and improve your fluency as well. If this video has helped you in any way, then please do like and subscribe this channel. Share these videos with your friends, colleagues and relatives. See you soon. Thank you for watching.